Around here. We also have 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Can we have the music, please?
बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया हुआ है। बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके। और मतलब मुझसे तो होता नहीं है सुबह वो उठना, और बच्चे उठ जाते हैं तो मुझे देख के भी और मज़ा आ रहा है। इतने सारे बच्चों ने पार्ट लिया है मैराथन में दौड़ने के लिए ऑन अ संडे मॉर्निंग। वैसे नहीं तो नॉर्मल केस में ऐसा नहीं होता है कि संडे मॉर्निंग सोना होता है या किसी बाकी सब बच्चे सो रहे होते हैं। और इन लोग को देख के बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हो रही है, कितना एनर्जेटिक उन लोग हैं। आज सुबह 6:30 बजे लोग रेस दौड़ रहे हैं, मैराथन दौड़ रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है। और इन लोग ने बहुत एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया है कि बच्चे एक्टिव रहे, क्योंकि आजकल वीडियो गेम के ज़माने में कोई बाहर निकलता नहीं है। तो इन लोग ने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया जिससे लोग बाहर आएँ, बच्चे बाहर आएँ, एक साथ मिले और मैराथन दौड़े और फिट रहे।
एक्चुअली इन अ वे ये हमारे लिए भी एक बहुत बड़ा मोटिवेशन है, ये जूनियर मैराथन, ये जूनियर थॉन, मुंबई जूनियर थॉन, क्योंकि हम सब में से कोई भी, लाइक स्पेशली मैं और गोली, तो वी आर नॉट अ मॉर्निंग पर्सन एट ऑल। तो इन अ वे ये हमारे लिए भी मोटिवेशन है कि आज हम यहाँ पे 6:30 बजे आने के लिए 5 बजे उठे हैं, घर से रेडी होके यहाँ पे आए हैं। सो इन अ वे ये हमारे लिए भी मोटिवेटिंग है कि हमको बहुत दिनों बाद एक दिन मौका मिला कि हम जल्दी उठें सुबह और यहाँ पे आके दूसरे लोगों को चीयर करें ताकि वो मैराथन भाग सकें। सो आई एम रियली ग्लैड आई कुड मेक इट हियर टुडे।
So children have to be treated more better than jewelry because they are more precious than any precious jewelry on this earth. We should get their future optimized. We should get their vision maximized. We should get their beings energized to get them Mickey-mized.
Okay, do you think it's a good start? It's a third edition, it's a third year.
It is a beautiful start, and the organizers, Party Shati, have done a very, very good job. I mean, having to see around 5,000 children with parents is an amazing thing. What a great movement. Children must be seeded, initiated into wellness, and they should be well, they should be healthy, they should be healed. Their minds should be full of vision, their hearts should be full of love, and they should be full of ideas, and they should be relaxed.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
बहुत अच्छी बात है। मैं भी उनको देख के ही उठा हूँ क्योंकि मेरी मॉम ने बोला कि इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चे इतने सुबह सुबह उठ के मैराथन के लिए जा रहे हैं और तू इतना बैठ के सो रहा है, और आज शूट भी नहीं था, तो आई वॉज रेस्टिंग तो मैं भी उठ गया, इनको देख के मोटिवेशन मिला, मैं भी उठ गया और इनको देख के बहुत बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि काश मैं वापस, मैं जब तारक मेहता में फर्स्ट टाइम आया था उतने जितना हो जाता और वापस मैं भागता।
Really good to see you, Claudia. You know.
Thank you.
How difficult or easy to get up early in the morning?
I am an early riser, so I prefer to wake up in the morning rather than too late because I always feel the entire half of the day is wasted. So I always prefer to wake up in the morning, go to my gym, exercise, and start my day on a positive note.
Okay, what was the first reaction the moment the organizer of this event approached you for this event?
Smile Foundation and we go a long way together. We have been working since quite some time right now. And as I am a certified nutritionist myself and a fitness freak, once they approached me and said, 3,000-4,000 kiddos will be running the marathon in the morning, I said, I want to be a part of this cause because this is really close to my heart. And I like to motivate people. I like to encourage them to, exercise, be healthy, follow a healthy lifestyle. That's very, very important for me, and I think it should be for everyone. And seeing all those kids early in the morning, and of course, not to forget, we should also thank the parents for approaching, for supporting the children, for bringing them here and pushing them to run the marathon. I think it's absolutely wonderful.
How you benefit the children, especially children are more involved in indoor activities, gadget, mobile, PlayStation and all.
Absolutely. It's absolutely more and more important than ever because, as you said, the gadget, Facebook, all the games, all the application, kids are nowadays so, obsessed about it. Whenever they have even 5 minutes time, they choose to, sit with the phone and even sit with the iPad and play games, which is like a virtual world. It's fine to, play those games for some time, but it can't be the main agenda of them, especially in the free time. So I think it's a parent's responsibility more than the kids, because for them to understand maybe it's difficult, but the parents has to take the initiative. The parents has to push them and push them, girls for dance classes and guys probably to play cricket wherever they can, push them towards more physical activity outdoor, push them to play with other kids rather to play the games. It's very, very important nowadays. More than ever, we have to support physical activity, we have to support healthy lifestyle.
Something out of the box. How regular you're watching Bigg Boss?
I must say I'm not that regular. I just returned from Poland. I was then afterwards immediately in Delhi. Yesterday I came from Ahmedabad. So life is a bit hectic. But I try to watch it on the weekend at least to see the entire week's update. And I think it's quite hectic and happening inside Bigg Boss. It was not that much when I was there. It was more peaceful. But I think Big Boss is such a big brand, you know, you can't ignore it. People loving it. So I wish all the contestants all the very, very best. And I think within a month or so, the finale will be there, which will be again excited. I don't know who is going to win. Do you have your favorite person to win?
Please let us know who is your favorite person of the
As I said, I don't have a favorite person. I'm not that regular also in watching. I think the best has to win, right? It's the same like the marathon today. The best.
Okay, who's a bigger brand, Big Boss or Salman Khan?
Of course, Salman Khan.
Okay, what happened with Professional Front? What's their pipeline?
You see, there is something in the south coming up. Of course, events, they're always there. And so soon, there will be a good announcement.
Thank you so much, Kalodi.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
Very difficult. I don't like waking up in the morning, but I thought this is a good thing to. I'm not participating in the marathon. At least I can flag this off. And encouraging children is something I think all of us should do. We know that outdoor activities have become so limited for children because we are always busy on gadgets or, you know, on our phones and computers. I thought that it's something that will help me if I came and encourage this.
Okay, do you think it's a good start where you talk about, you know, as you said, you know, just right now, very rightly, you know, even children are more involved in indoor activities.
Correct.
How are you going to help their health, you know?
Actually, these kind of things are so healthy in the morning. You know, also we are in Mumbai, which is so much less polluted than any other cities as of now. So I think early in the morning, if children are taking part in activities like this, I think it is the healthiest thing you can do.
How regular jogger you are?
I'm not actually. Honestly, I'm not. And I think I learn a lot from all of these things. And like I just said, I'd like to train someday to even do a half-a kilometer marathon, which I still haven't done, but I'd like to.
Tata Motors also participating in this. They are associating themselves with school, where they'll be providing school buses to the children.
Oh, nice.
What do you have to say about that?
That's great, as long as, you know, as long as there's security when it comes to our children, I think it's all wonderful.
Yeah. Okay, something out of the box. How regular you are watching Big Boss?
Not watching at all, I'm sorry.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
What's happening on Professional Front?
Oh, Professional Front is quite a few things happening. I won an award for New Age Actress for Coffee with D. Then my Asmi's film, which I just did, and it has just been covered today in Bombay Times as well. It has won awards at IFFI. It has won at the LA Hollywood International Film Festival, Best Foreign Feature Film. I am doing a couple of web series. I'm launching my company, so there are quite a few things happening.
Throw some moonlight on your company. It will be a production house, or will be foreign films or television, small industry?
Okay, so it'll be all media content, and we'll be concentrating on shooting mainstream content in the northeast of India, where I belong to. I am from Assam, and I think it needs to be explored more, but not just to shoot regional stuff, but for mainstream cinema.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, so I'm very happy to associate myself with Smile Foundation, who's the foundation's encouraging something so important and so wonderful for the children. This is a junior-a-thon, and I hope they continue doing this year after year. Thank you.
Thank you. Good to see you. You know, what is the first reaction the moment the organizer of this event approached you for this?
I was excited to come here because मुझे पता चला कि kids are running a marathon, junior marathon. So I was so excited और मैं मतलब घर से मतलब बहुत excited कि आना है मुझे लोगों से मिलना है. And जब मैं यहाँ पर आया, so kids were so energetic. So यहाँ का माहौल देख के मुझे बहुत ही मज़ा आया, दिल खुश हो गया मेरा आज.
आपको पता है you are the limelight of this event, you know. बच्चे देख रहे हैं, खुश हो रहे हैं, वेव कर रहे हैं. कितना proud feel करते हैं, when you become you know idol or inspiration for somebody.
Yes. बहुत ही खुशी होती है जब लोग प्यार देते हैं और मुझे अपना आइडल मानते हैं. सो बहुत ही खुशी होती है और बच्चों को मोटिवेट करके भी मुझे भी बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि मैं ऐसा कुछ कर रहा हूँ कि जिससे वो मोटिवेट हों। सो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है ये। आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज़ आर सो इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड जूनियर मैराथन ये बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया है बच्चों को मोटिवेट करने के लिए, बाहर आने के लिए, आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज़ करने के लिए। सो ये बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया है। थैंक यू सो मच।